Bonjour tout le monde. Today we're going to tackle the French word fille. Now, fille has two meanings. It can mean girl, une jolie fille, a pretty girl, or fille can mean daughter, fille. C'est ma fille. This is my daughter. Now, fille is a little quirky in that we don't pronounce the double L. So it's sort of like fee, a fee you pay with a y on the end. Fee. Fee. Remember, it means girl or daughter. So I hope you enjoyed your lesson today, and we'll do another one soon. A bientôt. And don't forget to like and subscribe.